Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both rigs so the transfer won't fail. Verify the source animation is baked and the target rig has a clean bind. This prevents interpolation errors later. Once done, align the root transforms and freeze rotations to match joint axes. Why? Because consistent orientation avoids flipped limbs. Next, lock or hide non-essential controls so you map only the deformed joints. Make sure to save an incremental file now. It's faster than undoing a bad retarget. You now create the mapping. Match each source joint to its target counterpart, either manually or with human IK, because automatic guesses often miss subtle offsets. Once mapped, run the retarget operation and watch motion briefly. This is where you inspect limb swings and foot contact. If using copy key, bake the results onto target controls and clear temporary constraints. Adjust joint offsets and global scale if limbs look stretched. Then scrub the timeline to confirm timing stayed intact. Finish by cleaning and stabilizing the transferred animation. Filter noise, simplify keys, and refine timing so the performance reads clearly. Once satisfied, bake the cleaned curves onto the target controls and remove any temporary constraints to prevent accidental snaps. Play back at production speed to catch spacing issues. If you run into foot sliding or flip joints, check joint orientations and reset transforms. Remap only the problem joints and reapply the bake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.